SALIENT is an EU-funded project running from September 2022 to August 2025, dedicated to revolutionize the automotive industry. SALIENT activities focus on developing future-proof light vehicle designs with increased compatibility for mixed traffic, ensuring better preparedness for crashes and collisions. A diverse consortium of 12 partners from across Europe represents the full automotive value chain. Let us introduce you to one of our key partners, thermoPre Engineering. Founded in 2017, thermoPre Engineering is a full-service provider for thermoplastic composites, turning innovative ideas into full-scale production. One of their 3 production lines allows for processing widths of up to 600 millimeters. Within the SALIENT project, thermoPre is leading the work on innovations in material development and manufacturing processes. The company is also supporting the development of application-adapted thermoplastic UD tapes, such as those used in crash boxes. Follow the SALIENT project on LinkedIn and X to stay updated, and subscribe to our SALIENT in Action newsletter to receive the latest news and updates.